What is going on, YouTube? I keep knocking this hitch off. It was hanging down like right there, and then knocked it off on a trail, then zip tied it up, and then smashed it all the way off. So I'm gonna drill a hole in the bumper and put a new hitch plug. So hopefully I won't knock it off again and again and again. Anyway, it's raining, so I'm gonna get out of the rain. Here's what I got. Got this cheap plug from Walmart. Yeah, it just goes, feed all the wires in, then you tuck it back in there and lock it down, and then the prongs are in there. Got my hole saw that's roughly the same size as this. Pretty simple. Just gonna drill a hole through the bumper, and then once I place this in there, I'll put some self-tappers, and hopefully it'll be out of the way so I don't smash it on rocks and stuff on the trails. Alright, I would videotape, but it's raining pretty good, so I'll let you guys watch from in front of this car so you can't see me by the Bronco. It's official. I have locked this thing for good. Give a little whack on the ground. No, she's dead. Well then. Alright, this is where I put it. I was going to put it right here, but it's just not going to sit right with the curvature of the bumper. And my license plate's over there, so it doesn't really matter. And if I don't like it here, it's underneath the license plate if I put it back over here, so it doesn't really matter. Here's the old wiring harness that I've cut, and I gotta get a new bulb for that. Here's the old plug, all smashed up and stuff. Here's the new plug, or the socket for it. Here's the wiring I'm gonna use. This trailer wire, extra trailer wire I had laying around, so I'm gonna use that, put it to good use. This is what I got set up here. This is how it's gonna go in the socket. So got the ground, lights, left and right. I believe that's right? Or right and left, I don't know. Yeah, just slide this into the socket and then put that in the bumper. Pull the wires all the way through. Tighten up this set screw, and should be ready to go. That doesn't look half too bad, actually. It's pretty close to the ball, so if there's any wiring length issues on the trailer side, it shouldn't really matter, because it was over here. So that was a long distance to reach for the trailer. So this should be pretty much perfect. Got it wired up. The headlights are on. Haven't got all the wires tied up yet, but plugged in. That one's on. Those lights are on. They're all on. Right turn signal works. And the left doesn't work. Damn. Alright, I got them all working. It was just the connector wasn't all the way in, all the way, I guess. But anyway, they look good. Now I can actually tow with this thing. Well, I don't know if it'll actually tow something, but at least it'll be legal. I actually really like how that turned out. Works pretty good. So that's about it on the install. I mean, it's pretty simple. Just drill a hole in the bumper, put some self-tappers in it. Hopefully those hold. They feel pretty solid. And then rewire it. You're good to go. Make sure all the wires are in the right spot. Simple little project. Came out pretty good.